Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss how the today's trade has been executed. So market's overall view is towards the buying trend, and if we see in a shorter time frame, my overall view today was to buy some calls, but market shows not as per my setup. I always respect your setup, and see the market has opened around 52 points gap up. So my expected was that market should be showing, if market shows a buying trend, so it would be showing some consolidation or some red candles, then it would be showing a big rally. But market didn't, it just made a rocket which I think it was towards the moon, and which is currently failed. And many of traders would be thinking to buy at this point or in somewhere. Let's assume the better, if you would be buying by their luck, then still the stop loss would be somewhere this, the target would be more, because there is no upper hand, and it is a bit rare. But still there been a stop loss hit, which is the big reason. And my setup was to be trading in this region. uh, my uh, my setup told me that there should be a candle which would be closing in this green region. So in this green region, there is a candle which is this closed, and due to which I've entered in this point. My my stop loss was 11 points. My target was to be of 28 points. It was 1 is to 2.2, but I have achieved 1 is to 2. There is a due to the expiry of Nifty, there has been highly fluctuation in premiums, and due to which I have achieved 1 is to 2. And my second trade was this point. My there is resistance, and this is a support region, and this break, and my setup told to be at this point there should be a closing candle, due to which I have entered into this clean doji candle. But dojis are mostly giving some no idea where should be the market going, and it exactly did. And due to which market just took my stop loss. My entry was at this point. Market, the big candle, just take all my stop losses, and just due to my stop loss I have been saved today. And this has been 11 points and 11 points, so totally I have been 22. See the profit, I am going to explain now how the profit factor ratio, risk to reward ratio defines someone. So if we see 24 minus 11, it's been now 13 points which we have been getting. And this 13 points, if you assume the 3 points would be going to brokerage tax, then still you are getting 10 points. 10 points means around you are making 5% per day. If you experience it, 5 multiply, let's assume that you are having a profit and loss ratio like 50%, then still in 4 weeks, uh, 4 weeks, and if you would be trading 4 days, one trade, just leave it out. And if you are trading 4 days, in which 2 days are profitable table, and due to 1 is to 2 ratio, you would be getting a edge. This way you are going to beat the market. And my tomorrow's expectation, that how the market would be reacting, is if the market opens in this region, then I want support, then retest, and then at this point I'm going to enter for a long. And if the market shows lower lows, then I'm going to wait for the confirmation, and at this point I'm going to trade. And if the market shows gap down, so if the market wouldn't be just going rally, in this case the market halted, and my if my trade would be in the calls, and then it would be in this point, not in this region where the stop losses might be hurt. And if the market would be going towards the market open it gap down, and if the market would be going towards the downside, so I would be waiting, because the market won't be just waiting and then going. This would be the support. I would be waiting for the break, and then after the confirmation I'm going to enter for the short. And this is my overview. So subscribe, like, and wait for the next video tomorrow. I am hoping that the video would be uploaded sharply by 7, but let's hope.